Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. Thank you for stopping by. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a simple brownies, and here are the ingredients I'll be using. I'll leave the measurements in the description box below. In my mixing bowl, I'll start by adding half cup of melted margarine. You can use melted butter and 2 tablespoons of oil. I'll also be using 2 different types of sugar. I just added brown sugar and the white sugar. Like I said, all the ingredients and their measurements will be in the description box below. After mixing that, I'll then add eggs. I'm using 3 eggs here. And the vanilla essence. Then continue mixing. Whisk until the sugar dissolves. You can use only white sugar if that is what you have. You can also use only brown sugar. And the measurement will determine on your own taste. I just added little salt to it and continue to whisk it. After whisking this for about 5 to 7 minutes, it is now time to add flour and the cocoa powder. I'm using 1 cup of all-purpose flour here and a 3/4 cup of cocoa powder. If you have chocolate chips, you can add that also. You can melt and add that, but I'm using only cocoa powder. I'll then gradually mix into the wet ingredients. Do not overmix, just gradually mix them together. When well mixed, then pour into a baking pan and bake for about 30 to 35 minutes. Here I'm using a foil pan which I covered with a baking paper. And here we have our brownies well baked. Allow it to cool down very well, then take it out from the pan and cut into the sizes or shapes or numbers you want. Thank you all for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to give me a thumbs up and also share the video. Until I see you again in our next video, remain blessed and safe. I love you all. Bye bye.